Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hi! Today we're gonna do think or float experiment.
Awesome!
Let's get started! First we're gonna need a container. Think. There we go. Next we need some objects. Think. And definitely we need water. Axio water. There we go.
Cool!
Now we need to fill the water in the container. Alia, be careful. Alia, be careful. I think I might not pour all of it. No, this one did it. To this. Yes, I'll do it to that line. You may also pour all of it. That wasn't enough. I think we need some more water. A period. Okay, Alia. Now you will have a go. Just put all of it. Yeah. Just put it all in there. Oh, that's it. Okay, I think that's enough.
Yes!
Let's get started. And the first object is a throwing rocket. I think it might float. I think it might sink. Let's see. It floats!
Awesome!
It's floating. It's like a rocket bird. Okay, the next one is going to be Tomato. I think she might sink. I think it might float. Let's see. She sinks. A block. I think it might sink. I think it might float. It floats. I think it might sink. Yeah, it's right. Definitely will sink. I knew it! Okay, now it's a bullet. Let's boing. It floats. Bullet, shoot! Shoot. It floats. Yay! A green ball. It's very soft and squishy. I think it might float. Yep, it floats. It's very rolly. What's next? Oh, this rubber. I think it's all ahead. Yeah, it sinks. It sinks. There you go. Let's do the truck. Yeah. I think it might sink.
What?
Oh, look at that. It's floating. I am sure the truck floats though. Me neither. Let's try the pine cone. Yeah, it's a bit rough. Floating. Let's choose the brush. Yeah, it will sink. Oh, it's floating. Let's try the card out. I think it will sink. I think it will float. No, it will sink. Yeah.
Awesome!
One more for you. For you. Now this. Ooh. It will. It's floating. I think this will float. Yes. Let's try the fish. See, I think the fish will sink. Yeah. Let's try. Shake. Slow. Okay, let's do the conker first. Sink. Let's try the snail. Not a snail, silly. It's a seashell. I'm going to fly. Bye. I splashed my hair. You splashed my hair. Now I'm going to go. Let's see if there's any. All of our objects are complete.
Winner!
So guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. You have to smash it.